Hello, welcome back. Today we are moving on to the next chapter, animals without bonds. In the previous chapter, we have discussed the animals that have bonds and we have studied some of the animals and their characteristics. In this chapter, we are going to discuss some of the animals that do not have bonds as well as their characteristics. So let us get started. If you counted all the types of animals in the world, 99 out of 100 would be bondless animals. Many of these animals live in the sea. Some of them are beautiful, some fierce, and some strange. The study says that out of 100, 99 are bondless animals, and many of the bondless animals live in the sea. Some looks beautiful, some are fierce, and some looks very strange. Corals are tiny, soft creatures that stick to the seabed. They build a hard, chalky shell around themselves. When they die, the shells pile up in strange shapes. The shells even form the islands. You are familiar with the coral reefs, the term coral reefs or the coral islands. It is actually the shells of the corals. Corals are the tiny, soft creatures that stick to the seabed. Okay, and they do not have bonds. Okay, and they have a hard chalky shell around themselves. You can see in the picture of a coral. Okay, they have hard chalky shell around themselves. When they die, the shells pile up in a strange shape. Okay, and it forms the islands or the coral reefs. Next one are starfish and sea urchins. Starfish and sea urchins have a spiny skin. They do not have front and hind ends, that is the back ends. So they can move off in any direction. See, next category of animals that do not have bonds and they are living in sea are the starfish and sea urchins. They do not have the front end or the back end. So it is clear from the picture, the starfish and sea urchins, we cannot distinguish which one is the front end or which one is the back end. They have spiny skin as well as they can move in all direction. So these are the characteristics of the starfish and sea urchins. Okay, so these animals also do not have bonds. Next one is the sea anemones. Sea anemones look like flowers, but they are not actually flowers. They are flesh-eating animals. Okay, their finger-like tentacles are used for catching food. See, in the picture you can see the sea anemones. They have finger-like tentacles and they are using their tentacles in order to catch the food. Okay, they are flesh-eating animals. So sea anemones are another category of animals that do not have bonds as well as they are living in the sea. Okay, so children, in this video we have discussed about the corals, the starfish, sea urchins as well as the sea anemones that they do not have bonds as well as they are living in the sea. So everyone go through your textbook, understand the concept and study all the things and keep watching. Keep safe in your home. Thank you.